awesome! Step 1. Draw an oval. Step 2. Draw a secondary line inside of the oval. Step 3. Give the avocado a little cute face. Step 4. Draw a small heart and give it a cute smile. Step 5. Now add 2 little hands holding the heart. Step 6. Ink the lines. Try to use long, fluent strokes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute avocado friend. Now stay healthy and don't eat your drawings. Bye bye!